Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Tony and Ollie, and we're here today to do another Costa farm review. So this plant is very common. This plant is called the satin pothos or satin philodendron. It's none other than the Scindapsus Pictus Argyraeus. This is my Costa farm Scindapsus Pictus Argyraeus. I got this guy at Walmart in a 6-inch Costa Farm hanging basket. When I got it, it was very full and lush. It has trailing vines. But I had this plant for a couple of months now, and it grew so much that I had to cut it back and propagate it. Right now it looks like a hot mess, but still the leaves are beautiful. This plant is one of the perfect beginner plants. It is very easy to take care of, like other pothos. The leaf have a unique pattern. That's definitely a conversational starter. Unlike the other pothos, the texture of the leaf feels different. It is velvety. The silver splotches on the leaf set it apart from the other or the regular pothos. This plant comes from Asia, so it does like higher humidity, but it can tolerate lower humidity as well. The cons to having this plant is that you will have to trim back the vines in order to keep its shape and form. Another con is that they are toxic to human and pets. If you have a curious cat or dog that likes to chew on plants or other objects around the house, leaving this plant on the floor is not a good idea. The other thing is that since the leaves are satin and velvety, if they get water onto them and the water is sitting on the leaves for a long period of time, this plant might get some browning and discoloration of the leaves. Overall though, this plant is a fantastic plant to have in your collection. I got mine from Costa Farms in a 6-inch hanging basket. It was very lush and a prolific grower over the summer, and it looks beautiful. It is one of my favorite vining plants for sure. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. If you like content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.